The Eletre debuted today in near production trim, seemingly ready for the road save for a few nits to be picked. Those fancy side cameras will likely need to be replaced with boring old mirrors, but the rest of the crossover looks production ready. The Eletre's front end has a certain Lamborghini Huracán Performante look to it, particularly in the body-colored sections that jut into the blacked-out grille, but the headlight arrangement seems to also take influences from Lotus's new sibling Lynk Co. It's a clean design, that somehow manages to look more Lamborghini than the Urus. Inside, the Eletre can be had in 4 or 5 seat versions, with a panoramic sunroof that's standard in China and optional for the rest of us. The seats themselves look right at home under the Lotus brand, bolstered, supporting and thin. The dash features a narrow, digital instrument cluster and an enormous center touchscreen, and control is managed through a steering wheel that isn't quite round. Lotus seems to be going for the mix of performance and opulence that so many brands try to achieve, but only time will tell if the company hits its mark. As an EV in the year of our Lord 2023, the Eletre promises autonomous driving capability, specifically end-to-end autonomy. What does that mean? Lotus helpfully explains. End-to-end autonomy means a customer can use their smartphone app to request their Eletre to drive to them autonomously from a nearby parking space, and then autonomously repark once the journey is complete. Lotus claims power output starting at 600 horsepower, with no number given for a theoretical maximum output. The company also gives a 0 to 60 time of less than 3 seconds, though doing so will likely impact the car's claimed 373-mile range. Charging is said to take just 20 minutes for 248 miles of range, on a sufficiently fast charger. Lotus hasn't announced pricing for the Eletre, but extensive use of carbon fiber and aluminum doesn't come cheap. All that tech and performance, however, may put the Eletre in a halo position. Lotus claims another 2 lifestyle vehicles are in the works over in Hethel.